Hey y'all, your girl is back, your girl Koa D is back with a banger. I know I took a long awaited break and I promise I will explain myself. But in the meantime, I do want to get right into the video. So for this video, we will be putting names on these coffee mugs using permanent vinyl. So I did do an unboxing and I did include a small snippet of it at the beginning of this video, but within the packaging, it did come with cardstock so that you can run the machine through to make sure that it's working properly. It does have very specific instructions, so it was super easy. It did not take me long to even understand what I was doing. So to avoid your design coming off of your coffee mugs, you want to make sure you get permanent vinyl. It did come with vinyl already in the packaging, but it was not permanent. Outside of your permanent vinyl, you want to make sure you have scissors, transfer tape, and also all of the tools that the Cricut already comes with, like this little weaving tool, I think is what it's called. I'm learning, so bear with me. And also you want to make sure you have that little etching tool that it comes with. This is how you're going to make sure that you transfer your design over nice and smooth. So to start off, if you're doing a very small basic design like I am, you only need to cut a small little square of your permanent vinyl and stick it to your 12 by 12 mat. So once you get the hang of the practice cardstock that they have in there, it starts to get maybe a little overwhelming. For me it was, because now you have to learn Design Space. Design Space is the software that Cricut uses for you to design whatever you're wanting to design and to cut it out. There were a lot of fun fonts in here. There's photos that you can add, like pre-made photos they have. You can also add your own photos. It is a really fun software. It kind of reminds me of Procreate that they have for Apple. If you're familiar with Procreate, there were a lot of things that were similar in Design Space. So once you get your design down pat, you are now ready to cut. So you're going to take your 12 by 12 mat and put it in between these little white notches on the machine. Once you have the font, style, size, design that you like, you're going to tap on Make It. They do ask what size mat you're using because there are different mats. Mine did come with that standard 12 by 12 mat, so that's what I clicked on. Before it actually cuts, it's going to kind of ask you, you're going to get to this screen and it's going to ask you to basically confirm and finalize your design. If you're okay with the size, if you're okay where it's starting and ending to cut. Once that's finalized, I promise y'all, if y'all do that practice one that it includes, I'm stressing it so much because it made these easy. From there, it was just a few things that I had to figure out. But the practice one really helped me to know what the heck am I going to be doing. So definitely don't skip that part. Once you click on Confirm in Design Space, the load button on your machine will start to flash. Once you click on that flash button, the C right next to that load button will also start to flash, and that is how you start the machine to start your cutting. This side we have, if you can see that, and this is the cup I got that I will be using. Already now that all that is done, I'm going to go in with this little etching tool and we are going to tear it apart basically. As you start to remove it, just keep in mind to peel that back gently. You don't want any of your letters to mess up or stay sticked on to the part that you're removing. Okay. So now I'm gonna take this tool and get in between those little areas right here. And this is our beautifully finished design. So once that's over with, you want to go in with some rubbing alcohol on the surface that you'll be applying the transfer tape to and applying your design to. And also I just have this little like cotton pad that I'm going to use to rub onto the cup on the side that I'll be applying the design. For reference, I'm right-handed, so when I drink using my right hand, and I want my name to be seen as I'm drinking, so it's gonna be going on the opposite side of where I'm holding it. I'm showing you guys in this video so you guys have an idea of where the design will be going on the cup. So as our cup dries, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my transfer tape ready so that I can transfer our design onto our cup. Once you have that transfer tape cut out, you're gonna go ahead and remove the sticker side of your transfer tape and place that sticker side directly on top of your design. Grab your scraper, and then from there you can start scraping on top of the design so that the transfer tape can pick up the design. This is how you don't have those bubbles. It's just a flat surface. So that's exactly this is what we got. From here, you kind of just want to gently remove it. And it should come off pretty smoothly. See where the A is kind of like still attached to the paper. Going back a little bit over there, over that area, just to make, and then you can get right back to it. And so now it's a smooth finished. And this is what you end up having here. And I'm just gonna, you know, kind of see where I want to put it. So I think I want it right here. I am also a fashion designer, so I'm really good at eyeballing. If you're somebody who wants to measure whatever the case may be, by any means, do, you know, what you think is best for you. Like I said, some people just have that eye. Once you complete this process of scraping the transfer tape onto your cup, from there you're just slowly going to remove the transfer tape off of your cup. All right. Okay, so yeah, this is our second design. This is how this one came out. This is my name on my cup. Because it has those little patterns, it really caused, you know, it's not perfect. This obviously could have been a little straighter, but for the most part, for my second project, I think this is fantastic. This is the first design I did. This is my mom's cup. She wanted a little thing extra, but this was the very first one I did. I learned a lot with this font. I learned a lot about designing on cups that already have a pattern, and I also learned a lot about adding designs to cups that already have a pattern. This was the very last cup I did. I did 3 cups total. As I went on and did more, I do feel like it only got better. If you guys like this video, please comment, subscribe, show me some love in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!